Right then, hello and welcome to another video. Part 2 of the carburettor restoration. So last part we disassembled it, degreased it. So what we've got to do now is give it a fine sanding, just light over. Get a tack cloth, clean it, and then I've got this liquid stuff that takes all the dirt away. And then we'll start adding some colour, so let's go and get going. Right, and so I've managed to rebuild the car and put it back together. I did have all the footage, but my camera died, so there's no footage, there's just pictures, so excuse me for that. Yeah, so the carburettor's all painted and ready to go onto the car, so package it up and put it in the box ready. So thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.